Hello kids, color pen name. Today learn alphabet. Light green color, golden color, sky blue color, brown color, silver color, pink color, yellow color, black color, light pink color, orange color, green color, and red color. Today learn alphabet. A. A for apple. A. A for ant. B. B for basket. B for butterfly. C. C for candy. C. C for cherry. D. D for doll. D. D for dolphin. E. E for egg. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fruits. F for flower. G. G for gun. G. G for God. H. H for honey. H for horse. I. I for iron. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. J for joker.